A man complaining to a friend. I had it all. Money, a beautiful house, a big car, the love of a beautiful woman. Then, po! It was all gone. What happened? Asked the friend. Ah, my wife found out. A kid at a sleep-away camp wrote home, "Please send me some food. All they serve here are meals." What is the difference between a fly and a bird? A bird can fly, but a fly can't bird. A fifth grader looked downcast, so her teacher asked, "What's the problem, Carol? I hope it's not homework again." "Well, yes it is," replied Carol. "I was stupid and made my homework paper into a paper aeroplane." "Carol, you're right. That wasn't a very bright thing to do," said the teacher. "But this once I'll let you just unfold the paper and hand it in." "Oh, but that won't work," said Carol, looking even sadder. "You see, the plane was hijacked." Little Johnny sat playing in the garden. When his mother came out to collect him, she saw that he was slowly eating a worm. She turned pale. "No, Johnny, stop! That's horrible! You can't eat worms." Trying to convince him further, "Now the mother worm is looking all over for her nice baby worm." "No, she isn't," said Johnny. "Why not?" "Because I ate her first."